Hi, I'm Julian. Let's take a look inside the Preschool Ministry Starter Kit. This kit right here provides the key curriculum resources that you need to start teaching the gospel project to preschoolers and to babies and toddlers. Now, the first thing that you're going to find in this kit are 3 discs. A DVD with Bible story videos, missions videos, and music motion videos. Next, you'll find a files disc with MP4 formats of the videos, as well as PDF activity printables. You'll also find PDF and JPEG images of the posters to drop into a media presentation. Use these files for printing or playing the videos through a computer or creating media presentations. And lastly, a music CD is included. You'll also find a download code card. You can use this code to download all of the videos if you don't have a disk drive on your computer. Now, just remember, this is a one-time only download. Next, you'll see the leader guides. There are 3. 1 babies and toddlers leader guide, 1 younger preschool leader guide, and 1 older preschool leader guide. Now, each leader guide is crafted for that specific age group and provides step-by-step instructions for leading each session. You'll want to purchase additional leader guides for each of your leaders. You'll also find items that each of your preschooler needs, beginning with 1 set of younger preschool activity pages and 1 set of older preschool activity pages. These pages provide a fun learning activity to use during the session and a coloring sheet for the end. There's also 1 set of big picture cards for preschool. Each session's card features the Bible story picture on the front and additional activities to help families continue the learning at home on the back. Preschoolers love collecting these, and they're an easy way for parents to review session content with their preschoolers. Now, the big picture cards and activity pages can be purchased separately or bundled together as an activity pack at a reduced cost. You'll want to order a set of pages and cards for each preschooler, and just a set of cards for each baby and toddler. Be sure to order extras for guests too. Well, that's everything that you'll need to get started with the Gospel Project for Preschool. If you're looking for an additional hour of resources, check out the Preschool Worship Hour add-on pack.